Every developer knows the pain: hours wasted chasing a missing semicolon, a broken dependency, or a logic error hiding deep in the code. But what if debugging itself became obsolete? What if AI could detect, fix, and even prevent bugs before they ever happen? It sounds like science fiction, but it's already starting. Debugging has always been the slowest, most frustrating part of software development. Studies show that engineers spend up to 50% of their time fixing bugs instead of building features. It's costly, repetitive, and error-prone, the one part of coding everyone wishes could vanish. Now, thanks to artificial intelligence, that wish might be coming true. AI-powered development tools are quietly transforming how software is written and maintained. Instead of waiting for humans to spot errors, these systems are learning to predict them and fix them automatically. The rise of predictive debugging. Traditional debugging tools only respond when something goes wrong, a crash, an exception, a failing test. But the new generation of AI systems doesn't wait for failure. They analyze the logic of your code in real time, learn from millions of similar codebases, and anticipate what's about to break. Companies like Microsoft, GitHub, and Amazon Web Services are building AI copilots that act like real-time QA testers. For example, GitHub Copilot now flags logic errors before you hit run. Tools like DeepCode, Tab9, and Snyk Code scan entire repositories and automatically suggest safe patches for security vulnerabilities. This isn't debugging, it's bug prevention. How it works. AI debugging tools use large language models trained on billions of lines of open-source code. They recognize patterns of bad practices, like unhandled exceptions, race conditions, or memory leaks, and compare them against clean, working code examples. In some systems, such as Amazon CodeWhisperer or GPT-based AI assistants, the AI actually reads your code context, simulates execution paths, and identifies where logic might fail. It is like having an invisible senior engineer watching your back, one who has seen every possible mistake before. From reactive to autonomous. The ultimate goal is not just catching bugs, but preventing them altogether. At Google DeepMind, researchers are experimenting with AI models that can simulate future runtime errors before code is ever compiled. Another startup, Fixie AI, claims its system can auto-generate pull requests that repair bugs without human involvement. Imagine committing your code, and within seconds an AI reviews, tests, and sends back a corrected version. No debugging. No wasted hours, just clean, functional software. That's the dream, and it is already being tested in production by major tech firms. The benefits. If successful, this shift could save companies billions. According to the Consortium for IT Software Quality, software bugs cost the global economy over $300 billion a year. Reducing even a fraction of that would reshape software development economics. Developers could focus on creativity, architecture, and design instead of fixing typos or chasing null pointers. COD teams could move from error hunting to optimization. Deadlines would shrink. Releases would accelerate. In short, AI could do for debugging what compilers once did for assembly code, make it invisible. But there's a catch. Like all automation, this revolution comes with trade-offs. First, trust. Developers need to understand and verify what the AI changes. A fixed bug might introduce a new one somewhere else. Then there's the risk of dependency. Over-reliance on AI debugging could erode fundamental coding skills, just as GPS made us worse at reading maps. And finally, accountability. When an AI system fixes your code and it fails in production, who's responsible? The developer? The company? The algorithm? Those ethical and practical questions will shape how fast this technology truly replaces human debugging. The future of debugging. The direction is clear. Debugging as we know it is dying. The AI of the future will not just highlight errors. It will correct them, test them, and explain why. We're entering an era where software development becomes conversation, not correction. Developers will describe what they want, and AI will write, review, and maintain it. In that world, the best coders want to be the fastest typists. They'll be the best problem framers. Conclusion. Debugging won't disappear overnight, but its days are numbered. The tedious, repetitive work that once defined software engineering is slowly being absorbed by machine learning models that never sleep and never lose focus. AI won't just write our code, it'll guard it. And when that happens, the word bug might finally become a relic of the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reports on AI, coding, and the future of software innovation.